Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. First things first, what you're going to do is go to your control panel, and if you're using Wi-Fi, switch it up to your mobile data and try to log into your Snapchat. Or if you are using mobile data, you can use your Wi-Fi while logging into your Snapchat. And after that, just restart your app and then try again to log in using your email and your password. Now, another thing that you can do is simply uninstall your app and then reinstall it again. That should solve your problem. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.